Hello, I am Kira Bright, and I created a website for my personal project assignment, and it is called Kira's Plant. As I was going through this, I located several APIs that I could use and only chose one, and it took me a while to get the one API to work, and then it took me more to make it look nice and have it organized so it's not just these huge letters or too small letters where you can't read it, and it looks nice and not just a thing of words, and you don't know where one thing begins and the other ends. This was really challenging for me, but as I study more on how to utilize the APIs and how to incorporate it into my code, it became to get easier for me. Now, another thing that was struggling was the layout. Seems pretty simple, but a lot of the pictures I used, of course, were not the same size, and so I had to adjust that to make it look like a coherent page that I was working on the website instead of one picture being huge, the other one small, and looks like just pictures mashed together. It also made it look more professional, and I also used the um, local storage period to get the items that I was selling to get stored away and then come back again when I went to the cart. This is also why I implemented the JSON and stuff like that. JavaScript was heavily used on this assignment, from incorporating the API to adding stuff like that was supposed to be in the cart. And CSS was very important because I wanted it to look nice. So let's look at my website real quick. Okay, so this is my homepage. As you can see, I have my logo, Kira's Plants, in the corner with my tabs. The homepage is what we are on now, vegetables, and the cart, which I just used a simple cart picture instead of writing out cart. I think it looks better this way, so it's more symmetrical and even and balanced at the top. Now we have some words here that is like, go garden, have fun. And of course, pictures of flowers, because people, when they think of gardening, think of flowers instead of fruits and vegetables. And so that is there for people to get interested. And then down here, we are trying to sell vegetables to people so they can do it themselves and have fun. So you can either click on vegetables here or down here, and it takes you to the top vegetables page. On this right-hand side, you can see where I use my API. It shows all different types of things you can make with vegetables instead of just making a salad. Now, if we come down here and we click on add to cart for the eggplant, it says item added to cart, which lets you know that the item you clicked on was actually added to the cart instead of not happening and then becoming frustrated with the website. So then when we come up here and click on the cart, you can see that the eggplant was added. And that's my website, and I hope you guys liked it.